Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can start your very own cake baking business in South Africa. Whether you're passionate about baking or looking to turn a hobby into a side hustle or full-time job, this video will cover all the essential steps, including the costs of starting up and how much you can sell your cakes for. Let's get into it. The first step to starting a successful cake baking business is planning. You want to determine what kind of cakes you'll be making. Will you specialize in wedding cakes, birthday cakes, cupcakes, or novelty cakes? Finding your niche can help you stand out in the market. Take some time to research your competitors, decide on your unique selling points, and understand what customers in your area are looking for. For example, in South Africa, themed cakes for kids' birthdays, as well as vegan and gluten-free cakes, are growing in popularity. In South Africa, any food business, including a cake business, needs to comply with health and safety regulations. You'll need to register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, and get a business license from your local municipality. Additionally, you'll need to comply with health regulations, which include having a clean and hygienic workspace. Costs for these registrations can vary, but registering with CIPC can cost as little as 175 to 475 Rand, depending on the type of business structure you choose. Next up, let's talk money. How much does it cost to get started? The cost can depend on whether you're starting from home or renting a commercial kitchen, but here's a general breakdown of what you'll need to consider. Ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, flavorings, etc. Estimated monthly cost: 1,500 to 5,000 Rand depending on your volume of orders. Equipment: mixers, cake tins, spatulas, ovens, decorating tools. Initial investment: 3,000 to 10,000 Rand, if you don't already have these. Packaging: cake boxes, cupcake holders, labels, etc. Monthly cost: 500 to 2,000 Rand. Marketing materials: business cards, social media ads, website setup. Marketing budget: 500 to 1,500 Rand a month. Licensing and registration: 175 to 475 Rand for business registration. Overall, you can expect to spend between 5,000 and 15,000 Rand to get your cake business off the ground. Of course, you can scale these costs up or down depending on how big you want to start. Now that we've covered startup costs, let's talk about pricing. In South Africa, the price of cakes varies based on size, complexity, and ingredients. Here's a general idea of what you can charge. Cupcakes: 15 to 25 Rand each, depending on the decoration. Basic buttercream cakes: 20 centimeters, 350 to 600 Rand. Theme cakes/novelty cakes: 700 to 2,500 Rand, depending on the design and detailing. Wedding cakes: 2,000 to 10,000 Rand, depending on the tiers, flavors, and intricacy. It's important to price your cakes not only based on ingredients but also the time and effort it takes to decorate and customize them. Don't forget to factor in packaging and delivery costs too. Word of mouth is powerful too. Offer discounts or free samples to friends, family, and local businesses to get your name out there. You can also set up a simple website to take orders or list your services on platforms like Google My Business and Gumtree. As your business grows, you can start thinking about expanding. You might want to offer more variety, such as catering for corporate events or weddings. Eventually, you could even open your own cake studio or retail space. Another great way to grow is by offering delivery services through apps like Uber Eats or Mr. D Food, which have become very popular in South Africa. By partnering with them, you can reach a wider audience. And that's it. Starting a cake baking business in South Africa can be a fun and profitable venture if you plan carefully, price your cakes right, and focus on quality and marketing. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or tips. And if you're already running a cake business, let us know your experience in the comments below.